I'm Tony Cisneros, owner and operator of Alpventures World War II Tours. Today I'm at Dora Concentration Camp Memorial Site and also the entrance to the Nordhausen V2 underground rocket factory.
Following the RAF bombing of Peenemünde in August of 1943, Adolf Hitler ordered for production of the secret weapons program to be dispersed across 3 separate locations at Wiener Neustadt, Friedrichshafen, and Nordhausen in the Harz Mountains. At Nordhausen, a suitable location was found in the nearby Kohnstein Mountain, previously used to store the petroleum reserve of the Third Reich. Inside the Nordhausen tunnels, the Nazis used concentration camp prisoners to produce V-1 flying bombs, deadly V-2 rockets, jet fighter engines like the Messerschmitt 262s, and other advanced weapon systems.
Go check out the barracks.
This technology was captured by the Americans just days before the Soviet forces arrived on the scene. On April 11, 1945, soldiers of the U.S. 3rd Armored Division liberated the Nordhausen camps. They also found some of the rocket scientists, but the V-2 program director, Wernher von Braun, was nowhere in sight. He and his staff left Peenemünde by truck and headed to the Alps in southern Germany. Von Braun and General Dornberger surrendered to U.S. forces near the Austrian border on May 2, 1945. Both men were brought to the United States and helped the U.S. Army launch rockets at White Sands, New Mexico, before leading the Saturn rocket program for NASA. Discover the Dora Concentration Camp Memorial Site and the Mittlebau tunnels at Nordhausen on Alpventures World War II Tours. Visit our website for details at worldwar2tours.com.